Hello and welcome to another GoodX web training session. In this video, we will be explaining to you how to set up the required documents. Click on the Settings button in the top right corner, which is displayed as a gear. Once the settings screen pops up, click on the Entity Settings tab. Next, click on the Document Settings panel. From the drop-down, make sure you are looking at the Document Classification area. Now you can uncheck the boxes next to the document types you wish to make a requirement. Click on the Save button to save and close the settings screen. After that, when you click on the Add Documents button in the Diary side panel, once a booking is selected, you'll be able to add the required documents. At this point, there will be a guided process to add all the required documents. Once all documents have been added to the patient or debtor, you can click on the Close button and close the Upload Document screen. Now the D on the booking will display green if you uploaded all the documents. This is a visual indication that you need to add documents.